champions, welcome back again to the Chiboy video, boy, the Chiboy. If you're a new viewer, subscribe. To my returning viewers, thank you because of your here. Well, today I'll be sharing with you how to get subscribers easily, how I got my subscribers easily. One of the best ways I got my subscribers easily is by posting shorts. Not just posting shorts, but making that your short, giving a good, just did I say, uploading the best shorts you need. For me, for the first time I started this channel, you check some of my shorts that I've posted before. Discover that those shorts get views more than the way I expect. Those shorts are the ones that generate me the subscribers I'm having now. Not my video, because if you check, I will discover that I don't have long form videos. It's now that I start making long form videos. And posting short, there are some short that I do post here. I don't really post my picture because I post my own video, my picture, the one with my face. It can never get me the views or subscribers I do need. I discovered when I started posting there's this video I posted that I have up to 900 views yet, but it only generated me 6 subscribers. But I just posted, there's this video I posted about Jesus, yes. I posted the video and the video got me, for the first time I posted it didn't get much, but it got up to 20 subscribers. It's something of 600 views. Yes. And there's this one that got 4K views and generated me up to 400 subscribers at once. And that is 24 hours, not even up to 3 days, 4 days. It's 24 hours. And there's this channel I'm also still running that generated me up to 400 subscribers for 13K views. Yes, I don't get that views if I post my own picture on my video. Then I'm only looking for subscribers. Not that I've started the channel, but now I'm ready to take the channel to another level. But if you want to get your own views, it's not really about posting consistently. Yes, I watch many people say that posting consistently is the best way to get views or subscribers. Yes, for me, then when I started posting my own, I discovered that if I post every day by day, those videos that I posted yesterday won't get more views as I expected. But if I post a day and leave it for up to 2 to 3 days, I will discover that the views that this post gets is bigger than what I expected. But if I continue to post every day by day, the one I posted yesterday, the one I posted today will blow it, and the one I posted today won't get the particular views I expect. But that of yesterday will get a little views, but not I expect. But if I leave that video 2 to 3 days, it will get more views, more than I expected. So posting consistently is good, but make sure that your own channel supports posting consistently. Not that all channel doesn't support it, but don't post every day by day. If you post every day by day, post once in 2 days or once in 3 days. It will make your videos more better than posting every day by day. So I got my subscribers through posting Jesus effects, Jesus videos. Yes, that was when I started posting shorts. If you check some of my shows, you discover that Jesus videos and Jesus animations and pictures. That's where I get my subscribers from. Because people like those type of things. I started posting it. Discover that people like it. Even some of my Facebook handle, Instagram, I post this type of pictures to get more followers. And after I get the particular followers I need, then I will begin the channel to post my videos. Then it's true that it might not be going viral, but within a space of time, a space of 1 week, it just say a space of 1 month, my videos will start to trend because I already have up to 1K subscribers. Yes, if you like this video, do well to subscribe, share for other people to see. Once again, it's the Chiboy Hustle, your own boy, your own friend.